Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Russian strikes on Kyiv kill 6 and injure more than 50, Ukrainian officials say. Tsunami alerts lifted after huge earthquake prompts evacuations across Pacific. Trump announces trade deal with South Korea, setting tariffs at 15%. FBI upgrades New Zealand office to counter China international crime. Explosive return of Netflix Wednesday new season focuses on family and female friendship. Let's look into details. At least 6 people were killed and more than 50 others injured after a barrage of Russian drones and missiles struck Kyiv overnight, Ukrainian officials said. One of the dead includes a 6-year-old boy, with 3 other fatalities were confirmed at the site of an apartment block which collapsed following a strike. Head of Kyiv's military administration said the death toll could rise with damages more than 24 locations across the Ukrainian capital. Tsunami alerts have been lifted across much of the Pacific after one of the world's strongest earthquakes struck Russia's far east. The 8.8 magnitude earthquake near the Kamchatka Peninsula at 11:25 local time on Wednesday, triggering tsunami warnings, led to more than 2 million people being ordered to evacuate in areas including parts of Russia, Japan, and the US state of Hawaii. Despite the earthquake's strength, there are no reports of severe damage or injury. United States President Donald Trump has announced a trade deal with South Korea, the latest agreement unveiled ahead of his August 1st deadline for the imposition of stiff tariffs on dozens of countries. Under the full and complete trade deal with South Korea, goods will be subject to a 15% tariffs, which US exports will not face duties, Trump said on his Truth Media platform on Wednesday amid a blitz of trade-related announcements that also included new US duties on Brazil and India. The United States Federal Bureau of Investigation has upgraded its presence in New Zealand to a stand-alone office in the capital, Wellington, as both governments work together to counter Chinese influence across the Asia-Pacific region, the FBI's director Kash Patel said. Patel traveled to New Zealand to open the office personally and on Thursday praised the FBI's strong relationship with local law enforcement and intelligence agencies. Netflix's popular series Wednesday is returning with a new season nearly 3 years after its debut. This time, the story will center on family dynamics and the strength of female friendship. This show will explore Wednesday's personal journey and her complex relationship with her family, especially her mother. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channel Desi Urdu TV and DTV
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.